Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I want is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see. It's a good, good. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. If you know what I mean. It's outrageous when you see it, gonna make you believe. It's contagious, gonna get you if you know what I mean. It's outrageous when you see it, gonna make you believe. It's a good, good thing. Good, good thing. It's a good, good thing.
Iba na ang sinag ng umaga, simula nang dumating ka. Natagpuan na
Ria.
ang mga
Sophia.
yakap na kay tagal ko na
Andrea.
hinahanap.
Ina. Kat.
Bagong
O,
araw
Adina. Ano yung shade?
paparating, salubungin natin magkapiling.
Oo, yan.
Ay, okay. Sibol ng araw, halina tumahan sa ilalim ng buwan. Mga tala sa langit ay kumikinang na, sila'y sumasayaw sa ating pagkikita. Ako'y iyong palagi at ika'y aking tinatangi.
Ko alam ba?
Kaya ba na ang gabi?
Well, take this ring box as a present of me. Ano ba yan? Kasi naman, ba't babasahin pa eh? As a representation, promise to love you. Take care of you and the kids. As the box signify protection, I'll do the same to be the first line of defense of our family. I love you always and forever. Thank you. Love, Daddy.
Ay paparating, salubungin natin magkapiling.
You always show up for me, for us, with a heart full of love. Your love is steady, unwavering, and true. Together, we built a beautiful family with 3 wonderful children, and soon another blessing is on the way. I promise to walk beside you through all the ups and downs. I will stand by your side through every joy and every challenge, just as you've always stood by mine. To love you through every season of life and to be the best partner I can be, just as you have been to me.
Bible verse hit me. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4 to 5. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. This verse hits differently now. Love is patient because we both know that this is a long-waited event for the both of us. And now we are here. So cheers to us. Love is simply kind because we learn to be selfless, especially with the kids.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man
Ito ka. Walang message. Oh, thank you, Mami. Meron, siyempre. May letter din.
Ay, may sulat.
Dad, as we begin this new chapter together, I wanted to give you this watch to remind you that every second with you is a gift I cherish. May it be a symbol of all the beautiful moments we've had and all the ones we'll create together. Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and memories that will never fade. Love, Mami Angel.
Eto tayo sa huli, palagi
Thank you, Mami.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
I won't make any promises to you, but one thing is for sure. We will never walk alone into the journey of life. I will always be here for you and for the kids. I'll be willing to be your shield in the times of harms of life. I'll be your crying shoulder when in times of need. I love you forever and always.
Kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo.
Today, I vow to honor you, to cherish you, and to support you in all that you do. I will love you with all my heart. I promise to love you deeply, honor you always, and walk hand in hand with you, no matter what life brings our way. And I will never take for granted the love you have given me and our family. Thank you for being the man of my dreams, for loving me and our children so completely, and for making every day brighter just being. Above all, I vow to love you every day with all that I am, just as you have always loved me. Today, tomorrow, and forever, I will choose you.